Hello and welcome back to Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. In today's episode, we are looking at the Realme Buds Air Bluetooth headset with mic. Realme Buds come in a beautiful case that automatically charges the buds when placed in the case. The buds also come at a very reasonable price. Let's learn more about the earphone. Here is the first look. They look super stylish and come in a sturdy white case. The product with the case weighs just 51 grams. The AirPods are light in the ear and provide crystal clear audio. Specifications: the AirPods come with a customized R1 chip for instant connectivity and low latency. Supports USB Type-C. The AirPods come with an inbuilt mic. It takes a total charging time of up to 1.5 hours and supports wireless charging. The features include 12mm dynamic bass boost drivers with dual mic noise cancellation for calls, up to 17 hours of total playback, that is 3 hours on the earbuds and 14 hours on the charging case. Performance: Realme Buds Air Bluetooth headset with mic. Realme AirPods have instant auto connection, intelligent touch controls and powerful sound and tangle-free experience. Battery life: there's also a gaming mode available for super low latency and the charging port is a Type-C USB. The AirPods include 12mm dynamic bass boost drivers with dual mic and noise cancellation features for calls. Reason to buy: Realme Buds Air features instant auto connection, intelligent touch controls and powerful sound. These wireless Bluetooth earbuds can also be charged wirelessly, therefore giving you a tangle-free experience. The main attractions are the audio quality, noise cancellation and 17-hour playback time. So if you are thinking to get new Bluetooth earphones or looking to upgrade to wireless earbuds, you should definitely go for Realme Buds Air Bluetooth headset with mic. Well, that's it for today. See you again with more product recommendations. Till then, goodbye.